What's up, everybody? In this video, we are going to learn about analog inputs and outputs. To do this, we will use a potentiometer to control the brightness of an LED. A potentiometer is a variable resistor, meaning that when we turn the dial, we change the resistance. Up to this point, we have been examining digital. At the base state, digital is a binary system, or on or off. Computers are digital. While they make complex calculations, at their root, they can only distinguish between two values, 0 or 1. The opposite of digital is analog. Analog is variable. The world we live in is analog. As a human, we experience a range of sounds, smells, colors, and emotions. If we tried to quantify these as values, we would probably find an infinite range. Start off by logging into Tinkercad using your course username. Select Circuits in the menu under your designs. You will see our LED-manual on/off circuit that we made in an earlier video. Hover over the circuit and click on the gear in the top right-hand corner. Select Duplicate. Click the name of our circuit in the top left corner and change the name to LED-dimmer. Select a potentiometer from the components and add it to the breadboard. Change the resistance of the potentiometer to 1 kiloohm. The potentiometer in your kit will look a little different. Essentially, all potentiometers have 3 pins and a dial. Current flows through the potentiometer, and the middle wiper pin will be used to read the analog input. Turning the dial will change the value. Connect a black wire from terminal 1 to ground, and a red wire from terminal 2 to power. The LED will display an analog output. When we created a digital output for the LED, the light was either on or off. When we supply an analog value to the LED, we can control how much current is supplied, resulting in different brightnesses of the LED. Remove the red wire connecting the resistor to the power rail. Connect a wire from the wiper pin from the potentiometer to the resistor pin of the LED. Great, let's test our circuit. Click Start Simulation. Try turning the dial. You will notice the brightness of the LED changes. So what's happening? When we turn the dial one way, we are increasing the resistance of the potentiometer. This is reducing the current supplied to the LED, and the result is the LED gets dimmer. When we do the opposite, we are reducing the resistance and increasing the current, which makes the LED brighter. Essentially, we created something you probably have in your home, a dimmer switch. Comparing a dimmer switch and normal light switch in your home is a good way to compare digital versus analog inputs and outputs. The on-off of a light switch is similar to digital. We have 2 states, on or off. The dimmer switch is similar to analog. We have a range of values. These values have a high and a low, as well as a series of readings in between. At the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of analog inputs, outputs, and how a potentiometer works.